Okay, I'm here at, what is it called? Cement Falls. And it's called Salmon Creek Trailhead. I used to go through that way to access it way back then whenever I was a teenager. And then that's the road. Towards the left is back where the town is. Towards the right, going out that way, is up towards the waterfalls and etc. etc. So, let's see. Hopefully this trail is not as bad. Looks pretty. I haven't been down here for a while. Poison oak, though. That's the other reason why I don't come down here that much. But I don't care anyways. So, yeah. Who cares if I end up... Yeah. Whoa, they redid this. Totally different. That's cool. Ooh. I gotta pay attention. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, hold on. You're okay. A lot of people at the river. Damn. Can't really go down trails. Okay. Trail that way, that's the old trail. This is a swimming area. Probably a lot of people, maybe. Shit, yeah. I'll come back to that in a bit. I gotta venture out here. This is like the old trail that got it's flooded, and some of the trail is not a trail anymore. It's like, I don't know. And plus I haven't been back here for a while, so I really don't know how the trail is. Let's see. Ow, it's been a while. That's so cool. Whoa. Whee! Hey, the bridge. They actually redid this? Whoa, this is cool. They really did this. That's cool. Cool school. Wow. That's cool. Oh yeah, I forgot I'm recording. Oh dear. That's pretty. Take you back to not Salt Creek, Fudge, Cement Falls here in a minute. I just want to see how far this goes. Actually, I don't know if I want to or not. I haven't been back out here for a while. Holy shit. Damn. Really? Wow. Damn. But yeah. That's why I love nature. Nature is beautiful. No, really, it's beautiful. Very beautiful. I don't know if I want to turn around or keep going, because I can't remember. I don't like going down trails. I'm not going down this one. This one's kind of sketchy. Always has been. Oh, shit. Going through Poison Oak. Yep, I gotta redo my video. Not redo it, I gotta edit. Okay. Fuck it, let's just go back.